Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can connect Shopify with Printify. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up any type of browser you want and search for Shopify and simply log in with your account. And after that, you will be brought to your account's homepage. Now what you need to do is simply tap on the app section to add an app to your account, and then just select all recommended apps. Now all of the Shopify recommended apps will be displayed in front of you. Now select the Shopify App Store and then search for Printify in the dedicated search bar which is located at the top of the screen. Now select Printify app and scroll down to see its paid and free plans. You can see that there are both free and paid plans available for user so that they can use wherever they want. So if you click on the pictures, you can see that Printify provides free mockup and designs for you to get inspiration and then utilize them in your business. To add Printify to your account, simply tap on add button. Select install app and then answer some questions so that Printify is optimized according to you. And after that, tap on connect your store, fill the credentials, and you are done. That's how you can connect your Shopify with Printify. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.